Hi, in this video I will show you how to use bookmarks and folders. Let's create our first bookmark by clicking on the star here. You can see a new folder was created and the bookmark was added and the folder was made default, so the star set is default. So next time if we use star here, or if we use top context menu and for example to the default folder here, it will add our tabs to the default folder. We can create as many tabs, as many folders as we need. For example, here or here, we can use drag and drop like this to move tabs to our folders. With the help of drag and drop, we can reorder our folders. Also, if we have too many folders, let's create some. There is a menu to switch between folders. For example, in the pop-up UI you can see all of them, so you can just switch here. Actually, in this UI you can arrange them as well. Also, we can merge folders with the help of drag and drop like this. Yes, I want to merge. With the help of drag and drop we can move to a different session, or we can, if we press Alt and hold, we can attach to the session. So now the same folder, bookmarks 2, is attached to both sessions, but it's not convenient to manually attach folders to new sessions every time. There is a more efficient way, and I will show. First, you should know that if you click right mouse click on a folder, you will see the folder context menu like everywhere. So let's delete a couple of not required folders, and let's create a test tag. And let's click right mouse button on the tag, so you can see that this tag actually has the same named folder. And yes, this is a folder context menu, and we can move any bookmarks right to the text. They will be added to this test folder, but we can have as many folders as we need in the tag, 2 or 3, etc. And we can even move our existing folder here. It was added here, and we can, for example, put it on the first place. So now when we have our bookmarks in the tag, it's quite easy to have those bookmarks and not to do any manual operations anymore. For example, if we start any topic by dragging out a tab from this session, this new session automatically gets attached to the same tags as the previous session. So, and we have our bookmarks right at our fingertips. And also, for example, if we click right mouse, you can see in the context menu we have open a new session. So we can have kind of, I don't know, initial set of tabs for new sessions for this topic. We click, it opens all our tabs, and the rest we have here, the rest of our bookmarks, which is very convenient. Let's check what other options we have in the folder context menu. So we can open and focus it in new session. We can share folders. There would be a separate video about sharing, We can assign any tag to this folder, so one folder can be attached to as many tags as we need to. Obviously we can rename, and so now this if the folder name doesn't match the tag name, it will be auto expanded when we click to see where we are. Also we can duplicate a folder, so we just duplicated a folder, new name, so here it's a duplicate, and via drag and drop we can move it here, for example, if we need to. We can detach this folder from this window, and it says we're going to detach from this folder from the only parent, and we can find it later in the orphan folder. So let's detach. Let's click on our tags and find orphan folder tag. So here we are. This is our orphan folder, and with the help of drag and drop we can, for example, move it back to our session. We can delete any folders, so here you should remember there is a restore if you deleted this by accident. There will be a separate video about quick launch bars, when you're convenient feature. Also we can mark any tabs as unread, so let's move some more tabs here, and here you can see there is a unread, so now it's marked as unread here, and here you can see the number of unread bookmarks, and if you click it will filter and leave only unread bookmarks, and automatically it will be marked as read if you open it. So now we have only one unread bookmark. So you may ask what happens if we delete a session. Let's check. Let's delete this session. What happens with its folders? Folders will now be automatically deleted. If a folder has only one parent and this parent was deleted, this folder will be placed into orphan folders, so you can find orphan folders here, or you can clean up by using context menu, tag context menu, delete all folders, for example. We can make a folder to be default, and we can select all bookmarks for some reason. Also we can rename a bookmark here, so we cannot rename a tab, but we can rename a bookmark, and we can even set icon URL. It will be needed for some cases, especially when we use this folder in quick launch, and for example there is a missing icon in the bookmark. And there is a cool feature called hot bookmarks. Hot bookmarks, it's a way to assign a shortcut, for example Ctrl+1 in this case, so you can configure shortcuts here to some bookmark. Let's do it. So now we just assign, so this bookmark have Ctrl+1 shortcut, and in any window, in any session, if we press Ctrl+1, it will open us required bookmark. So you can have up to 10 hot bookmarks. So unlike shortcuts here, unlike hot tabs here, hot tabs actually move like open an existing tab. Bookmarks, hot bookmarks, whenever you press a shortcut, it will always create a new tab with this bookmark. That's it. Thank you.